So that's the extent of what we wanted to present to you today. This is just the tip of the iceberg with the SolidWorks API. It's capable of so much, and it's the kind of thing where I don't recommend you go and watch a bunch of YouTube's videos and figure out how to do it yourself. Don't do that. You're just gonna go down some rabbit holes that take you in the wrong direction. That's where CAD Sharp comes in. They are experts at this, and they can scope a project, deliver a project, and make it very seamless and painless with regards to time frame and cost and everything versus you just going down a YouTube rabbit hole and trying to figure this out on its own. I don't want to get too deep into the programming language, but Sean, would you mind just mentioning the programming languages that you guys utilize when programming these API tools?
Sure. So they're .NET APIs, which means Visual Basic or C Sharp. C Sharp is the more capable language, so that's what we use by default. You can use Visual Basic, and we will on demand, but like I said, C Sharp. SolidWorks does have a C++ API too. Again, that's getting into the weeds a little. C Sharp is the short answer.
If you do have any questions that did not get answered, then this slide will address those. So please feel free to reach out to me. I'm Tanner Knight at Converge, the Director of Marketing here. There's my email, tanner.knight@converge.design. If you want to make connection directly with Sean and CAD Sharp, his contact is in the middle, sean@cadsharp.com. So, feel free to reach out to Sean if you have any specific questions, or if you'd like to coordinate with me as your reseller to do that, I'd be happy to do that. Again, some resources here. CAD Sharp's website is pretty simple, www.cadsharp.com. Here is Converge's website as well, a little different with the .design, but we encourage you to check out all of the information that we have posted under our partners page. There's our whole listing about CAD Sharp and how we partner with them to provide you guys with API programming services that are easy to understand and easy to quote and easy to implement. So with that, join us next month as we explore the topic of cybersecurity for engineering and manufacturing firms. That's going to be a departure, but something that's really, really important to us and our clients. So Sean, thank you for joining and presenting. That was really helpful and great to see the API in action. And if we have any specific questions, I'll send them your way.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. And everyone else, thank you for joining. And again, you can catch this webinar on demand from our website, from that webinar page that I showed earlier. So if you do want to capture this content again, it will be available for you. So thank you, and I will see you on the next one.